Are you an intending IELTS candidate, or have you already taken the exam and are still struggling with listening? Please take your seat and give me your attention for about 4 minutes. Now let me share with you common challenges faced by candidates in the IELTS listening test. And guess what? I will also share with you a few steps to overcome these challenges. Hello and welcome to today's class. The big question now is, are candidates truly struggling with IELTS listening? The answer is yes. Yes. So why is that the case? Number one, speed of speech. The recordings in the IELTS listening tests are often played at a natural speed, which can be challenging for non-native speakers to comprehend quickly. Number two, accents. The test may include a variety of accents, making it difficult for candidates to understand the speakers if they are not familiar with those accents. Number three, distractions. Test takers may get distracted by background noise, technical issues, or their own anxiety, which can affect their ability to concentrate and listen effectively. So, to overcome these challenges in the IELTS listening test, let's consider the following tips. Number one, practice regularly. You have to engage in regular listening practice with a variety of English accents to improve your listening skills and familiarize yourself with different speech patterns. Number two, use past papers. You must practice with past IELTS listening test papers to become familiar with the format, the types of questions, and the level of difficulty. Number three, focus on key information. I must tell you this. Please train yourself to identify key information while listening, such as names, numbers, dates, and locations, as this will help you answer specific questions accurately. Number four, improve your vocabulary. You have to enhance your English vocabulary by reading and listening to a variety of English materials, which will aid in understanding different contexts and topics presented in the text. Finally, simulate test conditions. So do not forget to practice listening in environments with distractions to simulate test conditions and train yourself to maintain focus and concentration during the actual test. Alright, that's it for today's class. Please do well to drop a comment after watching this video. Follow us on all social media platforms to stay updated. Bye for now.